Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae, and aim of today's practical is study of the genus Batrachospermum. Batrachospermum, it is the algae. Let us see all the details of the practical. Requirement of the practical is we need the classwork material of Batrachospermum. We need forceps, needle, slide, cover slip, blotting paper and the microscope. In procedure, what we have to do? The alga can be seen with naked eyes, so remove a small piece of genus Batrachospermum with the help of forceps or brush and stain with a drop of safranin. Cover up the material with cover slip and then observe the slide under the microscope. This is a temporary slide preparation. Next, in observation, what we have to write about the Batrachospermum type of algae? It is the marine alga which grow on suitable substratum in water. It is filamentous alga which is highly branched with bluish green color. The branches which grow parallel to the substratum constitute a prostrate system of the branches. The branches of the prostrate system helps to hold the entire plant. The branches which grow perpendicular to the substratum constitute the erect system of the branches. All the branches of prostrate and erect system may have nodes and internodes. There are whorls of branches of limited growth at the nodal region of the plant which are called glomerules. Presence of glomerule, it is a characteristic feature of the Batrachospermum. Each of the branches of limited growth that consist of 10 to 15 bead-like structures, bead-like cells which are arranged one above the other. Next. The internodal region consists of elongated or rectangular cells. All the cells of plant contain single nucleus. The cells contain many chromatophores in its cytoplasm. The cell wall are made up of cellulose. The vegetative reproduction takes place by method of fragmentation. The sexual reproduction is oogamous type. This is the photograph of Batrachospermum, and to the left side it is a classification. The division is Rhodophyta, class is Rhodophyceae, order Nymmalionales, family Batrachospermaceae, and the genus is Batrachospermum. This is all about the practical of Batrachospermum.